Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing my MadamGlam unboxing slash swatching reviewing video. And if you're new here, my name is Jess and I do types of no videos, so like I said, that's what I will be doing here in this video. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you're gonna refer to my upload. And also do not forget to check out my last video, which I did do an Nailboxy April unboxing, so make sure to go check that out as well. And also do not forget to check out the videos that I leave throughout this video so that way you guys could go watch them. And also do not forget to check out the description for any of my discount codes, as well as my Instagram and my TikTok will be linked down below, so make sure to go check that out. And let's get on to opening this MadamGlam box. So to start off, I love the packaging. It's black and gold, super pretty. So it does say MadamGlam New York, everything you love at your fingertips. And then here it says, hello glamorous, you are on board for an amazing VIP manicures, which is super cute. So we are going to be opening it, and this is what it looks like. So we did receive a MadamGlam mini UV LED lamp, super cute. We're going to be opening that. And then we did receive some gels. So to start off, we did receive the MadamGlam Soak Off Top Coat. And we also received the MadamGlam Base Coat, which we love that. So that's what we received. So we did get a top coat and a base coat. As well, we did receive MadamGlam in Champagne. And we also received MadamGlam in Rose. And we also did receive MadamGlam Dusty Pastel Green, as you could see. So just to let you guys know, I did use these on my nails. If you guys are interested on watching how I did these nails, I will make sure to link it here on the corner so that way you guys can go check it out. If you guys want to see how I did my Easter nails, this is what my Easter nails look like. And I did use these two colors, so make sure to go check that video out if you guys want to see how I did them. And yeah, that's what they look like. So definitely make sure to go check that out if you guys want to see how I did my Easter nails. And I did use these colors, like I said. So we are going to be swatching these three colors. As you can see, you could kind of already tell what they look like on my nails, but we are going to be swatching them as well as curing them with this UV LED lamp. So this UV LED lamp, it does have 6 watts, as well as it is UV LED, and then it has the button settings of 45 seconds and 60 seconds as well. So we are going to start out by opening it, which it does have like a little sticker. So this is what it looks like once you open it. And I love that they sent me a white one. I'm not really like a pink type of gal, but I love white, so I love that we received the white one. So it does have these like if I could get it open, so it does have like a stand. So it does have a stand, as you could see, super cute and mini, for great for on the go and stuff like that. So we're going to be using this lamp to cure it. And obviously it does come with a cord, which is pretty long. And then obviously, if you guys don't know how to manage a nail lamp, it does come with a little instructions on how to use it and be cautious of it, and you know, warranty and everything. So they are a vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free formula brand. So that's one thing I love about them. That's what they are. And yeah, that is MadamGlam. And also do not forget that you can shop as a VIP, and these are the perks to it. You could get free shipping and return. We have private sales. You get 50% off the gels, as well as royal treatment. So just a little FYI. So we are going to be using the lamp to cure the polishes so that way we could swatch them. So I have seen how these two colors look, because obviously I did use them on my nails, but I have not seen how this champagne color looks. It looks like a really pretty color, so I cannot wait to see how that looks. And we are going to untangle this and plug in our nail lamp so that way we can go ahead and start curing the colors. So I will be using some of those swatch sticks to swatch the colors, and I will make sure to link everything that I got linked down below so that we guys could go check it out. And make sure to use my code with MadamGlam so that we guys can save some money, which will be here on the screen as well as linked down below in the description. So I am going to start off by swatching the color Champagne. So this is what Champagne looks like. It is so so pretty. It looks like a really pretty blush color. Like this would be perfect for French nails, to get like that like perfect French. This would be nice if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like this is so pretty. So I will be swatching it. So this is what it looks like, and since it's more of a sheer type of blush pink kind of color, I will be doing multiple coats of it, or maybe just one. I'm not too sure. I might just do like one more after this. So I will be curing it for 60 seconds. So now that it's done curing, I will be going in with another coat. So this is what it looks like. Super, super pretty. So now I will be curing it for 60 seconds. So now that that's done curing, this is what it looks like. And again, this is in the color Champagne. Super, super pretty. I definitely recommend this if you guys are looking to do like a French tip with white. This would be perfect with white. I definitely recommend. And that's what it looks like, and that's in Champagne. Now we will be doing the Dusty Pastel Green. So that is how the Dusty Pastel Green looks like, and I love, it's a really pretty mint color, which I definitely recommend. And if you guys know me, you guys know I love, love, love mint. So this is like a mint green type of color. So now I will be curing it for 60 seconds under the UV mini lamp. And this is what it looks like after it's done curing. So as you can see, I only needed one coat of it, and look how pigmented and lovely this color is. I absolutely love. So like I said, this color is Dusty Pastel Green, and now we will be swatching the color Rose. So literally I only went just once with my brush, and look how pigmented. And also another thing I do want to talk about is that these colors are super, super pigmented, and these are perfectly for right now for the fall, for the spring. And one thing I do want to mention is that they are really, really, really pigmented. Like look, I literally only dipped my brush in once, and look how pigmented it really looks. And this is a really pretty pastel like pink type of color. So I definitely recommend, if you guys are looking for some gels that you guys need for like nail art, or just if you guys do manis, whatever the case may be, I definitely recommend to purchase some of these gels, because these are bomb and you guys need these. Definitely comment down below if you guys want to see some nail art using these gels, because I have been wanting to do a nail art video for you guys. And this is how the pink looks. Super, super pretty. Like I mentioned, it is like a pastel pink, like a Barbie kind of pink as well. So now I will be curing it for 60 seconds under the lamp. And this is what the color looks like after it's done being in the lamp. Super, super pretty. I am in love, love, love with the colors. And another thing is that these gel polishes don't have a tacky layer at all. So I definitely recommend, if you guys are looking for some good gel polishes without a tacky layer, that are vegan, that are cruelty free, I definitely recommend to get you these polishes, because they are bomb. And these three colors alone are super, super beautiful. Like look at that. They are super pretty. I definitely recommend, if you guys need some new colors in your collection, these are a must. Look at that. These are bomb. I am in love. And another thing that I do also want to mention, if you guys ever swatch gels, I always recommend to swatch gels underneath of the swatch stick, because I just feel like it's better, because you don't have to top coat it and it's already shiny. Like look at the shine it already has. I did not put no top coat at all, and they're already shiny and they are bomb. So these are what the colors look like. And again, this one is champagne, dusty green, dusty pastel green, and then rose. And that's what they look like. I am in love. So I did use these two for my Easter nails. I definitely recommend, because look at the gel. They last. They are really nice colors, pigmented, and these are in white acrylic, so definitely recommend. Now what I really want to do is create a French tip with this gel. Definitely comment down below if you guys want to see how I do that. And this is what the colors look like. I am in love, and they are super bomb. And again, they did also send me their top coat as well as their base coat, which I love both. So I definitely also recommend to go get your hands on it if you guys are interested to get your hands on the base coat, the top coat, as well as the no wipe top coat. And as well, go buy you a little mini lamp, so that way if you guys ever need to swatch something real quick, you always have your mini lamp with you wherever you are. So I definitely recommend to go get your hands on it. And like I said, I will make sure to link down below all the products that are here, so that way you guys can go check them out, as well as do not forget to use my code JessNailz30, so that way you guys can save some money. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely comment down below which color was your favorite. And me personally, if you guys already know, my favorite one was the dusty pastel green, which is this green mint color, which I just love. And also do not forget to check out the description for any other discount codes that I have available, as well as my social media like my Instagram and my TikTok. Make sure to go follow me, make sure to go show some love. I want to see you guys. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell, so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. As well as we are on the road to 10K, so make sure to subscribe, make sure to go show some love on the rest of my videos, and do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. And hope that you guys enjoyed yet again this video. And thank you so much to MadamGlam. And yeah, hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.